Hello? Ready to go? Are you kidding, Jessica? Kalalabas-labas ko pala ng bathroom eh. Relax ka lang dyan, Mariko. Hindi ako malalate sa wedding na pupuntahan natin. Ewan ko sa aking boyfriend, pero ang usapan naming dalawa, doon na lang kami sa simbahan makikita. He might be on his way there now.
May usapan din kami ng boyfriend ko na doon na lang kami magkikita sa simbahan.
Senyorito, vitamins nyo. Walter? Walter!
Huh?
Gising na.
Oh,
Come on.
nabala.
Walter, gising na. Mahuli ka sa pupuntahan mong kasal. Sige na, come on. Come on.
Sabihin mo, dito na lang
come on.
gawin yung kasal. Naantok pa ako eh. Oh. Oh.
The sacrament of matrimony, which we will witness today, as Andrew and Patricia confer this sacrament of union on one another, exalts and makes divine the human love, which is the most noble element in our lives. Once Andrew and Patricia are united through this sacrament, they will no longer love each other merely as two human beings. Their love will be transfigured and will participate in God's own love. This love, which attracts them to each other and urges them to give up themselves for the other's sake, will be made divine. Let us all, therefore, rejoice on this day with Andrew and Patricia, day that the Lord has made for them. Let us all pray that this Mass, that the joy that is theirs today may remain with them and accompany them all the days of their lives. Let us pray for Andrew and Patricia, because we all know that their joy will be punctuated with sorrow.
Harapin mo ang bola, ha? Ang mata nakatapat sa bola. Now, okay, hold it firmly. Now, stroke the ball towards the hole. Straight towards the hole. Ang club face mo, right angle do sa line, papunta sa butas. Igaling yung sweetheart ko, ha?
Mana eh,
Galing mo
mana,
nga yan.
mana.
Isa pa. Sige. Kitams. Kitams. Ang dali mong turuan, eh. Ikaw lang, eh. Dapat kasi nag-golf ng matagal na eh, hindi yung pating-pating lang eh.
Ikaw naman dati. Ang dami-dami mo ng years na nagpe-play. Ngayon mo lang ako tinuruan eh.
Aka na yan. Oh.
I'll play pa.
Uy, uy, uy. Habol pa ako rin sa mga kalaro ko, baka multahan ako. Just in case you need anything else, ha? Umorder na lang ka sa clubhouse.
I'll sign na lang?
Of course.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care, you too.
Take care. Nanood ka? Galing, no? Daddy ko.
Nakakaingit, no?
Oo nga, no? Wedding of the year. Double wedding pa. Oh, magkapatid na babae, nagpakasal sa magkapatid na lalaki. Iba ito, no?
Hindi yan ang ibig kong sabihin. Sarah, pwede bang palitan lang tayo ng parents?
Jessica, don't say such things.
Eh, paano namang hindi ako maiinggit? Hindi lang kayo father and daughter. Friends pa kayo ni Tito Alfredo. Eh, ang mami, hindi ko naatay na hindi ko pa rin kaibigan. Kahit hindi ako humingi ng pera, binibigyan niya ako. She fulfills her parental duties and obligations with money. As if money's everything in this world. I'm sorry, am I spoiling your day?
Of course not. Itong kumari kong to, nandito naman ako eh. Oo nga pala, mamayang gabi manunod kami ng concert ni Daddy sa CCP.
Mhm.
Sama ka, ha?
O, sige, mapapalam ako sa mami.
Sige.
Okay.
If you're going to Tokyo after a week stay in Singapore, listen, I'll see you there. Marami din kasi akong bibili sa Tokyo. By the way, how long are you staying in Japan? Fine. Makita tayo doon. Excuse me, Betty. Hang on, ha? Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. Hello?
Hello, mami?
Sandali lang, Jessica, at may kausap ako sa kabilang linya, ha? Hello, Betty? Saan ka nga pala titira sa Tokyo? Ako sa Okura. Listen, why don't you just cancel your reservation at Hilton, lumipat ka sa titirhan ko, at that way it's more convenient for the two of us. Maaga pa tayo makapag-shopping. Good. And listen, don't forget to pick up the jewelry I ordered from Mr. Chong, ha? Sa Lucky Plaza. Okay? Yeah, have a nice trip. I'll see you, ha? Bye. Jessica, what is it?
Mommy, Sarah is inviting me to watch a concert tonight with Tito Alfredo.
All right. Don't stay out so late. Do you have enough money?
Ha? Mami, pupunta pala ako sa Tokyo. Hindi niyo pa ako ihatid sa school?
Listen, I have to go. I'm busy, Jessica. Don't stay out so late, okay? Bye.
Ganda. Oh no, niyaya mo ako mag-swimming dito pagkatapos tayo mabasa. Huwag mo sabihin may hydrophobia ka nga.
Pare, there is such a thing called as sunbathing.
Ano pare? Baka maging uling ka na niyan.
Mm-mm. Oh. See what I see, man. Dynamite. Oh. Get a load of this, man. Operation Quickie. Watch this.
Good luck.
I don't need it. I have all the luck in the world. When it comes to love, no problem. Hi.
Hi.
May I join you?
Sure.
Do you come here often?
Once in a while.
Mm-hmm. Could I buy you a drink?
No, thanks. I have one.
Oh. Gee, nice weather, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Nice place. Nice bikini you have on.
Thank you.
By the way, I'm Walter. What's yours?
Carol?
Carol. Nice name.
Your friend is a fantastic swimmer.
I am fantastic in everything, babes.
Excuse me.
And who's this guy, huh?
My boyfriend.
Your what?
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
That's right, Mac.
Nice meeting you, sir. We're just kind of having small talk. Get it?
Sure. Small talk. I gotta be going. That away. That away. Bye-bye. Good!
Tito Alfredo,
Ay, Jessica, mabutit dumating ka na.
dito si Sarah.
Naku, para namang di mo kabisado ang best friend mo. Mabuti pa yata yung panikin mo. At, naku, malamang nasa banyo pa yun hanggang ngayon eh.
Sige, Tito. Sarah, hindi ka pa ready?
Jessie! Thank heavens you're back!
Oh,
Paano ba sapatos ang bagay dito sa damit kong to? Itong beige na to, itong white na to?
Palagay ko ito mas bagay dyan. Come on, Sarah, bilisan mo na. Alam mo bang kanina pa naghihintay ang Tito Alfredo sa baba? Alam mo, bilib na ako sa patience ng daddy mo. He's a virtual saint for putting up with you, Sarah. Kaya alika na, bilisan mo, bumaba na tayo. Alika na. Oh, your bag.
My bag.
Alika na.
Let's go.
Ah, at last, my princess is ready.
Ang daddy naman, mahirap yata magpaganda ng ganito ba? And besides, pagbalik namin sa boarding school, syempre, matatagalan ulit bago tayo magkasama-sama tulad ngayon, di ba?
Siya nga pala, malapit ka na magbalik sa eskwela. I'll miss you again.
Naku, nagdrama na naman si Alfredo Tag.
Alam mo, kung ang lahat ng ama sa mundo ay katulad ni Tito Alfredo, wala na ang anak na malulungkot.
Pero you know, Dad, ang totoo nga niyan eh, mas mamimiss kita.
Alam ko, ganyan-ganyan din ang mami mo na siya yung bubuhay. Malambing na malambing. Hey,
Mana eh.
we better rush.
Yeah?
We may be late.
Come on.
Pare, beer? Sige, isa. Pampagana.
Sayang 2 beer nga, oh.
Isa lang, Chayong. Igawa mo na lang ng juice ng senyorito Rafi mo.
Beer is too heavy for a meal like this one.
Siguro pag nasa Baguio kayo, in school, panay ang inom nyo ng beer, no?
I don't see anything wrong with a bottle or two, Mommy.
Did you hear that, Ramon? Kailan ka ba tutong uminom? Sinong nagturo sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam na allowed ng beer sa campus.
Actually, Tito Ramon, Tita Griselda, we are not allowed to drink beer inside the campus. Rafi and I do it occasionally, pero sa labas.
Yan ang hirap ng malayo ka sa amin eh. Bakit tayo mo pang lumipat ng eskwelahan dito sa Maynila?
Baka nga naman lakwatsa lang yung nasikaso ninyo doon.
Hindi lang yun, Ramon. Baka puro panliligaw ang inatupag ng anak natin. Walter, banyan mo mabuti ang kaibigan mo, ha?
Yes, Tita. Thank you.
Nakin mo na yan.
Hayaan mo, Tita. Pag uwi namin ni Rafi sa bahay, bago matulog, inom kami na pitchel-pitchel na gatas. Pang-apat na yata yan, pare. Tama na. Baka ako pa maputokan Tito Ramon at Tita Griselda yun eh.
Kinakalaban mo yata ako ngayon, pare, ah. Did Mommy and Daddy hire you to spy on me from now on, ha?
Hindi naman. Concern lang ako sa'yo. Ayaw mo nun?
Over-concern ang sabihin mo. Anything that is done in exaggeration is suffocating. Ginagawa pa nga nila akong totoy hanggang ngayon, eh. Ito ang pagtulog ko dito, malaki ng himala at pinayagan ako.
Parang ermat at erpat ko. Nakalimutan na yata nilang may nag-isa silang anak dito sa Pilipinas. Mabuti na lang, mabait ang Lola Daria ko at barkada kita. Kung hindi pare, matagal ang inamag ang buhay ko.
Ito ang pika-pika ninyo.
Thank you, ho.
Ano pinapanood ninyo?
Horror movie la.
Hindi nyo ba ako alukin ng beer?
I didn't know you like beer, Lola Daria.
Iho, beer is medicinal. Kaya lang, huwag kang lalagpas sa 1 litro sa isang araw. Thank you. Siya nga pala. Nag-overseas ang mami at daddy mo. Nasa Chicago raw sila sa Tito Freddy mo. Sabi ng daddy mo, pudpud na raw mga sapatos niya saka sa sightseeing. At pati ang pitaka niya, pudpud na rin saka sa shopping ng mami mo. Talaga raw hindi mapigil. Siguradong excess baggage na naman yung...
May iniwan ba namang message sa akin ng mami at daddy la?
Meron. Kinakamusta kanila?
Okay, very good. That will be all for today. See you tomorrow.
Right. Let's get to it, guys.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, now!
How do we start?
Just leave it to me, Laura. You hold your arms out a little bit higher. Right. Now don't tighten up. That's the main thing about it. Relax.
I'm afraid you can't budge me.
What do you bet I can't?
Oh my goodness, yes you can!
Good, you're doing real well.
Rafi. Rafi. What are the four elements of music? What? Music elements for rhythm. What else? Melody. What else? Harmony. What's the last? Miss Alfonso.
Just leave it blank, Walter. Don't depend on your best friend, especially during exams. You too, Rafi.
It's my fault, ma'am.
Hindi ho siya.
Hindi ako talaga may kasalanan.
Class, you got 15 minutes left. Walter, I'd like to see you after the class.
Painters of today are greatly concerned with communication. Now, how much should a painting communicate to the viewers, if at all? Now, some painters feel that their paintings need not communicate in the old sense. If a painting is excellent in all its technical aspects, and the viewers understand these aspects, then there's some form of communication. To this add mood, form, a fragment of thought. Now, there's even more communication. Now, these communications. Miss Tagley.
Sir?
I hope you're not missing what we're discussing here.
Sir? Sir, communication, sir. Mr. Pineda, sir, I'm communicating with my father, sir.
Well then, I hope there won't be any miscommunication between us when I finalize your grades.
Ano sinabi sa'yo ni Miss Alfonso?
Tagilid ang scholarship ko, pare. Kailangan daw gumawa ako ng makeup work. Kung hindi kaya kumuha ng remedial subjects.
Hindi ko alam to ah.
I've been trying to take it easy for the past weeks. Maybe too much concentration on rock music.
Paano di hindi ka sasama mag-soccer sa amin mamaya? Gawin mo muna assignments mo.
Ang star player hindi magka-soccer. No way, man. Kokopya yung ginawa ni Gani.
Eh di ganun din. Kinopya mo rin.
Sabi ko na sa'yo, talagang pinaglihis sama ng loob yung Mr. Pineda na yan eh. Lagi pang maasim ang mukha. Siguro pinaglihi rin sa suka. Kung sa bagay, talaga daw ganyan ang mga tumatandang binata.
Uy, pero type ata siya ni Miss Alfonso?
Ha? Hindi nakakapagtaka ba? Kasi di ba, unlike poles attract, sobra sa bait si Miss Alfonso. Si Mr. Pineda naman walang kasing bagsik. Pero kung ako kay Miss Alfonso, magpapakatandang dalaga na lang ako.
rin.
I said he's not going.
Go on, ask him.
You're not going with him, are you, Mario? Tell that crook you're not going with him anywhere. Tell him to leave us and never come back. Tell him to go. Please, Mario, please.
Gloria,
Mario, I know he has talked to you and tried to poison your mind again, but don't go with him. This is still the better way of life. If things have not been turning out well, then you must know that God is not letting us down. He's only trying us.
Gloria,
You're going. I can see that you want to go with him. Oh, you leave me here again wondering whether you'll be shot in the head or sent to jail.
don't worry about him, Gloria. He's safe with me. He won't come anywhere near jail. I've got connections.
You hideous beast! You get out! Get out! Get!
That was good. Good. Thanks. Take a 10-minute break.
Okay.
Okay. On stage. Group 2, please. All right, actors, take your places, please. Photography class. We're right on taking pictures, but please, be quiet. Don't disturb the rehearsal. You there in the back of the auditorium. If you're moving those chairs around, please. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
And supposing the pistol was not still in the owner's...
Para saan ang mga kinukuha ninyong pictures?
Photography class namin, mga human interest shots.
Aba, hindi ko alam. Interesting palang mga ginagawa namin dito, no? Uy, kunan mo naman ako ng solo shot.
Sure.
Uy, hindi, biro lang. Ako naman to. Huwag mo serious. Talaga naman, ba't mo serious?
Or did she tear the pistol out of his hand, shoot him and push it back into his pocket? That would be quite like her, for she is an able-bodied young person, this same Mademoiselle Diana.
Ngayon lang ako nakukunan eh.
No, but you will have to answer the question. Why did you give Eilert Lifberg the pistol? And what conclusions will
Ano na
people
naman
draw
kinukuha
from the
niya?
fact that you did give
Ito naman, KJ, oh. Minsan lang ako kumakuha ng model eh. Ay, yan nga pala. This is my friend
Well,
Jessica.
fortunately,
Jessica
there is no
Taylor.
danger,
She's into
as long
arts.
as I say nothing.
Hello.
I'm Sarah Tagle. I'm into theater.
So I'm in your...
Hi. Ay, I didn't get your name nga pala.
I'm Rafael Sarmiento. Rafi. Excuse me, I have to join my class. See you. Bye.
Yeah, thanks.
I am in your power nonetheless, subject to your will and to your...
Nakaka-intrigue siya, no? Mysterious. He's a very quiet person.
Ang sabihin mo, grabe ang inferiority complex niya.
Itong taong to.
Tayo na, let's take something sa canteen.
Ay naku, Mami, hindi pa tapos ang rehearsals ko.
Pwes anak, hihintayin kita.
Oy, maghintayin tayo. Naku, yung gusto ko sa'yo.
Hi, Jim. What's the rush?
The headmaster wants to see me.
Hi.
Hi.
Ito nga pala yung mga pictures na kinuha ko sa'yo.
Oh? Ang ganda mo kumuha. Ay, naduling yata ako dito sa isang to. Ang gaganda. Thank you, Rafi. Magkano to?
Pabihira ka naman. Kung bayaran pag-uusapan, dapat ako pa nga magbayad for your modeling services. By the way, my friend.
Walter Ibanez.
You're also taking up photography?
Music. Classical guitar.
Oh.
Nag-iisa ka yata, yung kaibigan mo.
Si Jessica? Pupuntahan ko nga sa art class niya. O sige thank you again for
bye.
this. Bye. Rafi, are you sure nakapasa na ako model?
Of course.
O sige I have to go Jessica's expecting me. Thanks again and nice meeting you.
Walter.
Yeah, Walter. Bye-bye.
Rafi, are you sure makapasa na ako model?
Walter.
Pare naman, oh. Pinag-aaksaya mo ng film yun?
What's wrong? She's friendly, outgoing, at parang sunshine girl.
And definitely, she's not my type.
Paano kasi ang type mo, mistisa, and opposites attract? Morena ang type ko eh.
Hindi totoo yun. Ang ganda nun
Oy, miral naman pagkabagli mo.
Rafi, papasakay ako maging model, ha?
Fabulous. Magnificent. Pwede na pa ako model ng Vogue tsaka Bazaar, no? Kaya lang, hindi ko sure kung ang model o ang photographer mahusay.
Amateur. Definitely amateur.
Baka naman prejudice ka lang kay Rafi.
My dear, I'm the most open-minded person in the world.
Well, open-minded girl, let us close the subject. O sige, I'll see you later,
bye.
Bye, take care. Mrs. Murray!
Bye, Sarah. Now, when you do the readings on stage, I want the fellow in the last seat out there to be able to hear you as well as the one who is sitting here in the front. So let's have a little practice today. Concentrate, please. This is taken from A Taste of Honey. You are all familiar with the play, I believe. Helen, please. Amanda, will you read that part? Josephine, her daughter, Suzette. Peter, her friend. Ryan, I think it's your turn. The boy, Todd. Let's have you read the boy today. And Jeffrey.
Oh, hi. Anong ginagawa mo rito? Kaya bakit hinahanap pa?
Right now, as for the jazz trio, quite obviously.
Tawag ako ni Miss Alfonso. May problema ako mabigat eh. Nahuli ako ni Miss Alfonso. Kinabi ko yung makeup work ko kay Kari.
Ano naman ang kinalaman ko doon?
Wala, pero pare malakas ka ron eh. Kayang-kaya mo yung pare. Pare, tulungan mo ako.
Not okay.
Pag naginit si Miss Alfonso,
I
susunodin ako ng pare.
that man out there to be able to hear you. Helen?
Well, this is the place, and I don't like it. When I find somewhere for us to live, I have to consider something far more important than your feelings. The rent. It's all I can afford.
Amanda, make your sounds a little more clear, a little more round and separate.
You can afford something better than this old ruin. When you start earning, you can start moaning.
Walter,
Oh, Sally, you should see the beach house like I did last year. It's wonderful. You'll have a nice time here.
Amanda, let me help.
Come on, Kelly.
Nasaan si Walter?
Nakalsa pala siya, Daddy eh.
Kala ko sasabay sa atin.
Sinundo na ho siya ng lola niya eh.
You seem to have lost a lot of weight. Hindi mo siguro iniinom yung mga vitamins mo. Even your glass of milk before bedtime, you probably forgot.
Iniinom ko ho, Mami.
Oh, tena, let's go.
Ba't kaya hindi ko pa alam sa akin ang lukong yun?
Well, Mr. Caleb, I'll see you again when I bring the girls up.
Drive carefully.
Bye, sir. Take care. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Tito.
Have a good holiday.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Did your girls make good this semester?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Tito.
Can you fit all that luggage in?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Easily.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Oh, bakit?
Ha? Hinahanap ko kasi yung isa kong friend eh. I have to say goodbye to him eh.
Sino?
I have to say thank you to Rafi para dun sa mga bagong pictures na binigay niya sa akin.
Huwag na lang. Umalis na yun. Tara. Let's go.
Bye, Jessica.
Bye, Miss Alfonso.
Bye, Miss Alfonso! You too! Wow! Ang galing-galing mong kumuha, Rafi. Bilib talaga ako sa ESP mo, Rafi. Alam mo bang bukas pupunta kami ni Jessica sa studio para magpa-order ako ng isang blow-up na kagaya nito?
I think it was during your break time when I took that shot.
Ay, ah? Saan ko kaya ilalagay ito?
It's up to you.
Ah, alam ko na! Sa kitchen! Para matakot yung mga daga. Just kidding. Dapat dito, ilagay sa isang special na lugar. My bedroom. Pero alam mo, Rafi, no kidding ah. Ang galing mo talaga. Pwede ka ng photographer ng Life magazine ah.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, Dad! Dati nga mo, siyang kumuha nito.
Good evening, sir.
Rafi Sarmiento.
Yes, sir.
Naikwento na kita sa Daddy. Dad nga pala, Rafi's Camera Club is holding an exhibit tonight and he's inviting me.
And I'd like to invite you too, sir.
Ay, naku. Napakarami ko pang mga papeles sa tatapusin eh. Kayong dalawa na lang.
Give me 15 minutes to change,
Naku,
okay?
maniwala ka
Excuse
rin
me,
sa
Dad.
anak ko. Ang 15 minutes yan, naabot ng 2 oras.
Ang daddy naman, sinisira ang anak ko. Excuse me.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
Would you like to have a drink?
No, thank you, sir.
Are you sure? Something cold?
No, thanks.
Alam mo, may pagkagalaw-gaw yung anak ko yan eh. Tsaka madaldal pa. Kaya walang makatagal na maniligaw dyan.
But she talks sense, sir.
You noticed that, huh? Good.
Ilan ang pictures mo dito?
4 pictures.
4?
Friends we will be now and forever. Friends so in love with one another. We'll face it all through any weather. Cloudy or sunny, we'll be together. Nothing can come ever between us. Just you and me until the world itself is through. Sharing one dream, sharing one love forever true. We will never ever part at all, even if the worst of rain should fall. When they talk of friends, it's always me and you.
Pambira ka naman, pare, oh. Nag-enroll ka pala dito, hindi mo man lang ako sinabihan. Di sana nag-enroll din ako. Hindi ka naman marunong tumawag sa telepono.
Ikaw nga tumira pag-ilapin eh.
Excuse me. Hindi, pare. May good news ako sa'yo.
Ano?
Si Sarah. Kami ni Sarah eh.
Pare, sandali lang. May practice na yata kami.
Continue. Hold. Opposite. Ready. Continue. Go. 45 K. Chug, chug. 45 K. Counter. There. Go. Continue. Hey. Continue!
Tama na, gwapo ka na.
Ano pa ginagawa mo rito?
Hinihintay kita eh.
Sakit nun eh.
May lakad pa kami ng barkada ko eh.
Matagal pa ba?
Pambihira ka naman eh. Ang tagal-tagal ko na hindi nakikita ang anino mo, tsaka minsan ka lang mag-post para sa akin, para ka na napasok sa upuan mo dyan.
Teka nga, bakit ba ang sungit-sungit mo ngayon?
Will you please stop talking and just sit there, okay?
Taray! Ikaw nga dyan ang mas maraming nasabi eh.
Ba't ba nagpamadali ka? Wala ka namang appointment, ha?
Who told you?
Ano?
Jessica, this is the best, the most unforgettable vacation in my entire life. I think and feel Jessica, in love ako kay Rafi eh. Steady na kami.
Thank you, ah. Hi, Jessica.
You don't mind? Pinapunta ko siya dito.
Excuse me, may tatawagan nga pala ako sa phone.
I'll take a look, ha? Ano to?
Hindi ko na siya maintindihan ngayon, Rafi. The same way you don't understand Walter anymore.
I think it's normal.
Normal? Pero hindi lang kami mag-best friends ni Jessica. We treat each other like sisters. Parang kayo ni Walter, di ba? Para kayong magkapatid. Pero bakit?
Siguro talagang ganun lang ang feeling pag nararamdaman mong napapalayo sa ang isang kaibigan.
Sort of jealousy? Ganon?
Ang feeling ni Jessica, parang inaagaw kita sa kanya.
At ang feeling naman ni Walter, parang inago kita sa kanya, ganon. Pero Diyos ko naman, Rafi, Jessica and I are the best of friends. We're not lovers. Parang kay ni Walter, di ba? Magkaibigan lang. Unless... Rafi, tell me the truth. Is Walter... gay?
Gay? Katulad din yun ng isang kanta. He's as normal as a blueberry pie. Yung pabling na yun.
Pero, pambihirang buhay naman to. Nagkaroon nga ako ng boyfriend. Nawala naman ako ng best friend.
Ikaw lang ba?
Andiyan po siya sa sala. Sige, salamat. Yes?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You're a friend of Sarah Tagle?
Roommates kami sa Brent School. Sit down.
Thank you. Kami rin ni Rafi eh. Roommates. Hinahanap ko nga siya eh. By the way, I'm Walter.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hi. Oh, bakit dito ka pumunta?
Kasi sabi sa kanila. Excuse me. Kasi, sabi sa kanila, dito rin siya pupunta eh. Susundo niya rin si Sarah.
Kasi alam mo, kanina pa sila umalis. Hindi ko naman alam kung anong oras kasi I was on the phone. Nung lumabas ako, wala na sila.
Pwedeng pakisabi sa kanila, pagdating nila. Especially kay Rafi. Matay ni sa namin professor.
Sino?
Si Mr. Ballesteros.
Ano? Si Fernando Ballesteros?
Kilala mo rin siya?
Naging professor din namin ni Sarah 3 semesters ago. He's also a dear friend.
Kami rin ni Rafi eh. Barkada namin siya.
Talaga? Mrs. Ballesteros, condolence po.
Salamat.
Condolence po.
Salamat.
Excuse us.
Kaakala mo'y ganun lamang ang buhay sa ibang bayan. At kung ikaw ay mag-aasawa, ang kunin mo ay Pilipina. Pagkat magaganda ang mga Pinay. Ang Pinay. Ang Pinay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask somebody sana for a special number. A very special friend of mine, somebody so close to me. Jessica, will you do us a song, please? Please. Please, Jessica, just once. Is it all right? Medyo nagjajahe siya eh. Excuse me. Jessica, come on, sing.
Ayoko, nahiya ako, Walter. Ikaw na lang.
Please.
Ang dami-daming tao. Nahiya ako.
Jessica, mapapahiya ako eh.
Eh, hindi ako sanay, Walter. Ikaw na lang.
For me, please. Just once.
O, sige. One song lang, ha?
Yeah.
O, sige.
Thank you.
Okay. Paano yan? Walang magbabackup sa akin.
Meron na ngayon. Ako.
O, sige.
Susubukan ko lang muna.
Okay. We'll try it.
At habang may hininga, ang pangako'y mahalin kang lagi na at asahan mo sa habang panahon. Ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo mula ngayon. Pagsasaluhan natin lang dalawa ang kahit anong dulot ng pagsinta. Ang hiwaga ng aking pagmamahal, maunawaan dalawa ang kahit anong dulot ng pagsinta. Ang hiwaga ng aking pagmamahal. Maunawaan lang kung may
Jessica, mahirap ba naman sabihin ng I love you? It's only 3 words, you know?
Do I have to say it?
Well, Jessica, if you really don't mean it, wag lang.
No, it's not that.
Okay, I'm going to make it easier for you. Repeat after me. Okay? I
I
love
love
you.
you.
I love you.
Kailangan ko pa bang sabihin? Ganun na rin yun.
Sweetheart, I'm going to take your word for it, okay?
O, pare, jiki-jiki pose naman, no?
Okay, come on. Now, it's my turn. Squeeze me, squeeze me. Yan, ready? Yan.
Oh, ano?
Posing mo na
17,
JQ.
17
JQ.
tayo.
Okay? Last shot, last shot.
Pose yun.
Smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Talaga. Ay, naku, kung di pa namatay si Mr. Ballesteros, hindi pa tayo magkakasama-sama ng ganito.
Wow! Poor Mr. Ballesteros. But anyway, thank you. May your soul rest in peace.
Please respect the dead, Walter. Ikaw talaga napaka...
Oo nga naman.
Ang serious naman itong sweetheart ko. Ba't ka serious?
Ewan ko, ewan ko.
Ewan mo.
Ang sweetheart ko, ang KJ eh.
Ikaw eh.
Close up, close up.
Close up yan.
Oh, close up.
Sige, ikaw din. Close up. Ito ka. Side view, side view, side view. Ikaw eh. Malapit eh. Walter, baka malamig yung tubig eh.
Nakita tubig na mainit.
Sige, sige.
Dali muna ka na.
Rafi, hindi ba mas okay kung mamaya ka lang manguha ng shells pag low tide na? At saka mas maraming interesting subjects to photograph pag mababa ang tubig?
Sandali na lang.
Ano? Walter! Nakakatakas ka talaga. Yan. Let's swim naman, oh. Tingnan mo ang tubig, oh. Ang sarap-sarap. Blue na blue, eh, oh.
Ayoko maligo eh. Kung gusto mo, join them. Dito na lang ako.
Rafi naman, pwede ba naman kitang iwanan dito? Walter,
Bakit?
Walter, alika. Let's join Sarah and Rafi. Let's gather some shells. Alika, tignan mo, oh. Alika.
Ayoko rin ng corner ron. O yan, nakita mo yan, yan. Mag-windsurf na lang tayo, tuturuan kita.
Ayoko, natatakot ako eh.
Eh, kasama mo ako, matatakot ka.
Eh, baka malunod ako. Ang lalim-lalim ng tubig eh. Doon na lang tayo.
O sige, doon ka na lang, dito na lang ako.
Napaka-high ba naman ito? Sige na nga, mag-windsurf na nga tayo.
Sasama ka rin pala eh. O, halika. Boss! Boss! Hindi na, boss! Meram!
Balance yourself.
Natatakot
Hindi,
ako.
oo.
Huwag mo akong bitawan, ha?
Hatakin ko lang to.
Tulungan mo ako. Saan ko hawakan? Dito? Okay, okay. Dito?
Yan.
Okay.
Yan, hawakan mo ha.
Okay, okay.
Bigat.
Yan.
Teka.
Oh,
hawakan mo.
Walter!
Jessica,
Walter, ano ba?
ano nagawa ko?
Dami kong tubig.
Uy! Let's play Monopoly.
O sige, matagal na ako di nakalaro niyan eh.
Let's play Monopoly.
Monopoly? Ang boring-boring yan. Ang tagal malaman kung sinong winner.
Tayong tatlo na lang, ayaw niya eh.
O sige, tayo tatlo na lang.
Let's play, come on!
Kayo na lang ang maglaro. Nawalan akong gana eh.
Eh, ikaw.
Parang ayaw ko na rin.
Ano? Labo nyo naman, hindi ko kayo maintindihan, no? Porkit ayaw yung isa maglaro ng Monopoly, pati kayong dalawa, ayaw nyo rin. Bakit? Kabit-kabit ba ang mga bituka natin? Hoy, sweetheart, baka masobrahan ka niyan, maging kakulay kita.
Medyo tante nga ako eh.
Talking about suntan, I'm gonna give you some tan.
Hindi. Wag. Ako na lang.
Hi, Wally! Hi!
Hello.
How's my friend?
Surviving.
How about you?
Fine. But now, I'm confused.
Ikaw talaga. Take care of my friend, ha?
Sure.
Bye. See you around.
I hope I won't see you anymore. I love sweetheart. Punta mo sa mataning all on my body, oh. Sige na, oh. Biscuit naman, oh. Come on, I'm waiting.
Sure, Wally. I'd love to.
Yay! Dahil bakit?
Sabi mo lagyan kita ng tanning oil. Eh, diniligyan kita.
Let me explain, sweetheart. That girl...
Is your girlfriend.
Correction. My ex-girlfriend, my former, and we're finished kaput, okay?
Walter, sandali lang.
Bakit?
Let's turn around. Doon tayo pumunta, mas maganda view roon.
Oo nga pare, siguro nga mas maganda nga doon.
Ay, hindi pa natin na-explore yung parting yun eh, oh. Tara.
Kayo talaga, oh. Pare-pareho naman lahat yan, eh. Doon na lang tayo, mas maganda ang scenery doon, tingnan nyo.
Hindi pare, I think we really should go this way. Tama si Jessica.
Di bala na lang. Kahit sa north, sa south, sa east, or sa west, I don't care.
Jessica.
Ako rin. I don't care.
Ang gugulo nyo naman, oh. Sinabi lang na isa na doon tayo pumunta. Ayaw nyo na pumunta kahit saan. Ano ba kala nyo sa ating apat? Mga itik? Lagi magkakabuntot? Uwi na nga tayo ng Maynila.
Buti pa nga.
Umuwi na nga tayo kung uwi.
Eh, ano pa hinihintay natin dito? Pateng.
Aray! Ikaw, ha? Bigyan mo ko. Ito sa'yo.
Hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a very, very special guest. She's here in Manila to do a series of concerts. She just came from PICC and finished one of her concerts there. And we feel obliged to call her on stage to give us a number or two. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our very, very special guest for tonight, Miss Angela Bofill.
Taray, kabuhin ko na si Angela yun, oh.
You know, usually when I'm performing, I perform alone. But tonight, I want to do something different. I would like to sing a song of mine with someone from the audience. Does anybody here know my songs? Anybody at all? Oh, don't be bashful.
I do.
Oh, you do?
No, not me, her. She knows. She knows all his songs. She loves to sing it, actually.
Oh, really?
Her name is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Sarah, do you know this time I'll be sweeter? Yeah. Well, come on.
Give her a hand. And she knows it, really. She knows it.
I believe you. All right. Darling, can't you see?
You have no regard whatsoever if people starve to death. You invited me for lunch? Anong oras na? 2:00 na. It's almost merienda time. Kung malilate ka sana, you could have at least called para sana man lamang nakapag-snack ako.
But honey, you know that I love you.
Bakit bang lakas-lakas ang loob mong i-substitute ng I love you sa I'm sorry?
Para 2 oras lang naman ako na-late ngayon. Ang hirap sa'yo. Masama ang loob mo sa akin pero hindi yun ang dahilan. Why don't you tell me? Alam ko naman di ba? Obvious itsura mo.
Okay. Yung past mo, yung former girlfriend mo, nakita natin sa beach. Hindi ba tapos ang lahat yung dalawa, no?
Wow! Saan mo naman nasagap ang chismis na yun? Yan ang hirap sa'yo eh. Ang hilig mong torture yung sarili mo.
Meron yata kayong importante pinag-uusapan.
You want us to leave na muna?
No. Come in.
Pare, may problema ba?
Pare, tiruin mo, nagkaselos?
Pambihira.
Kayong dalawang pambihira, pareho kayong pabling, kaya pala kayo naging best friends.
Teka muna, Mare. Huwag mo naman akusahan si Rafi. And besides, hindi naman totoong accusation mo eh.
Bago ka magdamay, isipin mo muna mabuti.
Totoo naman sinasabi ko sa Brent. Halos sa magaganda babae kinukunan mo. Photography class daw.
That's another false accusation.
Jessica, you must be out of your mind. Kung ano na pala iniisip mo, no?
Teka nga muna. Ba't di ba pinagtutulungan si Jessica? Kayong dalawa yata mga sira mga ulo eh.
Pare, isip ka lang dyan
Walter, how dare you? I was just kidding when I said Jessica must be...
Gagawa-gawa ka ng kalokohan pagkatapos pati kami ni Sarah, dadamay mo.
Shut up! Will everybody shut up?
Palagay ko, masikip na para sa ating apat ang mundo. Kung kabit-kabit nga pala tayo lagi, kabit-kabit din ang magiging problema natin. Rafi, let's go.
And now for the first prize in the color category, Mr. Rafi Sarmiento.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Rafi.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, pare. Hindi na yata dadating sina Walter at Jessica.
Bakit? Ano bang sabi sa kanila?
Nung tumawag ako kanina, sabi naliligo pa raw. Nung tumawag uli ako, sabi nakaalis na raw. Ba magdadalawang oras na, wala pa.
Baka naman na traffic lang. Ito naman, oh.
Traffic? Eh, lapit-lapit ito, traffic.
Aba, Rafi, wag mo naman sabihing hihintayin pa natin sila dito. Bay tayong dalawa na lang ang tao dito, ah.
Pare sila nananadya, ah. Kung kailan pa naman ako nanalo.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Oh, ano pang hinihintay mo? Why don't you blow out the candles and make a wish?
Parang may kulang eh.
Walter, kung talagang darating si Rafi at si Sarah, edi sana kanina pa.
Di naman sila hinihintay ko ah.
Eh sino?
Si Lola Daria. Tignan mo, nasan siya wala?
Nandito ako. Ano ba nangyari sa mga kaibigan ninyo? Eto, pinadeliver na lamang ang regalo nila para sa'yo. Hindi niyo ba inibitahan si Sarah at si Rafi?
Thanks, Lola.
Oh, iho. Happy birthday, iho.
Ano bang wish mo? Pwede bang malaman?
Sana, ang mga plastikong kaibigan, mawala na lahat. Huwag lang ikaw. I love you, sweetheart.
I love...
Ah.
Happy birthday.
Ganun na rin yun. Thank you.
Good evening ho.
Hello, Rafi. Oh, kanina ka pa ba?
Mag-iisang oras na ho eh.
Nasaan yung dalaga ko?
Nagbibihis pa ho yata eh.
Sandali lang. Iwan kita rito, ha? Maghintay ka lang.
Sige ho.
Hi, Rafi, I'm ready. Let's go. Ay! Naku, sandali yung bag ko. Nakalimutan ko. Teka lang, ha?
Good night. Goodbye.
Rafi! Rafi, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? Dumating ako dito ng 5:45, ha? Dahil sinabi mo, exactly 6 o'clock aalis tayo. Anong oras na ngayon, ha?
Mahirap magbihis, Rafi. Para sa isang babae, hindi madaling magpaganda para sa kanyang boyfriend.
Mabuti pa si Jessica at napaka-punctual.
Huwag mo nga ako ikukumpara sa kanya. Pambihira ka naman. Ito na ang huli nating date eh. Tapos na ang bakasyon. Babalik na tayo sa eskwelahan. Tapos, ganito pa ang mangyayari.
Yun na nga eh. Huwag mo sabihin ako pa dapat sisiyan at na-spoil ang lakad natin.
Kung mag-aaway rin lang tayo, huwag na tayong umalis.
Eh di wag.
Yes, of course. Yan ang sinasuggest ko kina Mr. Montecillo. Well, they ignored it completely. Alam mo naman ako, kumare, once ignored, tatahimik na lang ako. Incidentally, yung branch ko nga pala sa Cebu, well, finally, it started operations. And it's doing very well. As expected. Go on, kumare. I'm listening. Then what happened?
Inalat ako eh. Yung kasadang dinaanan ko, hindi ko alam na one way. Pagdating ko, may hagad sa kanto, nantikitan ako.
Eh, hindi ko naman tinatanong kung bakit ka na late eh.
Mabuti na maliwanag, sweetheart. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, let's go?
And what are we supposed to do on the last day of our vacation?
Hindi ko ba nasabi sa'yo sa phone?
Hindi.
Manunod tayo ng orchid show.
Orchid show?
Oo, orchid show.
Ang corny mo.
Walter, I love orchids.
Sige, if you love orchids, I'm going to buy you orchids from the flower shop.
Corny-corny mo naman eh.
Sige, manood na lang tayo ng sine. Oh, saan ka pupunta?
E di magbibis ng pambahay.
Bakit?
Hindi lang tayo umalis.
Sandali lang. Sige, manonood na tayo ng orchid show hanggang gusto mo.
Ayoko na.
For crying out loud, Jessica, if you really want to go to an orchid show and watch it, then let's go!
Hey, will you two keep it down, please?
Sorry, ma'am.
Walter! Walter!
Will you please excuse me?
Pakatok-tok pa ito ngayon ang sariling kwarto naman. Jess? Bakit mo hinahakot lahat ng gamit mo? Lumipat ka ba ng room?
Mawis ba?
Okay, you win. I'll teach you. Put your fingers there, 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 and there. Okay? Strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Move it again. There. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. You do it. I'll watch it. It should be like this. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Jessica. I was just trying to teach Michelle to play the guitar. Wait! Jessica! Let me explain. Come on! It's not what you think. Tinuturuan ko si Michelle mag-gitara.
Don't be innocent, Walter. It's very clear talagang pabling ka.
Bakit ba kung magsalita ka para bang napakasama ko ng tao? Come to think of it, Jessica. Ever since maging mag-on tayong dalawa, wala ka nang ginawa kundi magselos. Puro palpak naman ang binibintang mo sa akin. You never trusted me. At kahit kailan hindi ka niniwalang mahal kita.
And come to think of it, Walter, pinalit mo ang aking mundo.
At ang mundo ko, mas possessive ka yata sa akin, Jessica. Siguro talaga hindi mo na ako gusto. Ba't hindi ka makasagot? Bakit kahit kailan hindi mo masabi sa akin mahal mo ako, gusto mo ako? Bakit?
Hi!
Oh, napaga ka yata. Di sana hintay mo na ako sa kantin.
Tutunga nga lang ako dun eh.
Come on.
I got the highest grade in acting kanina.
Ay, ah.
You won't even congratulate me. Sorry. What's this? Can I see?
Mga studies lang ang mga yan.
Eh, ba't ka guilty? Huwag ka na magpaliwanag. Don't talk. I'm hurt.
Kung hindi ka ba naman,
Ano, Rafi? Kundi ba naman ano?
wala akong sinasabing ganyan, ha? At wag mo ituturo sa akin kung anong dapat kong sabihin. Ang babae na sa mga retratong yan ay model na aming grupo.
Don't talk, I said. Don't explain anymore. I'm tired, Rafi. Nung umpisa ng ating relationship, okay lang sa akin na wala kang kibo. Pero ngayon, hindi ko na matagalan ang katahimikan mo. Hindi ko na alam kung ano iniisip mo. Kung ano-anong misteryo na sa utak mo. Kung ano talaga ang pagtingin mo sa akin. Hindi na kita maabot, Rafi. Hindi ka lang malabo sa akin ngayon eh. Madilim ka pa. Ako na lang ang lapit ng lapit sa'yo ah. Ako na lang ang tanong na tanong kung talaga mahal mo ako. At ni minsan, Rafi, ni minsan, hindi mo sinagot ang mga tanong ko. Pues, pagod na ako.
Yun hanggang ngayon, hindi mo naiintindihan ang ibig sabihin ng mga pinakita ko sa'yo? Kung ganun, pagod na rin ako.
Kakaingit si Jessica. Walter assures her of his love every minute, every single hour and day. Walang hesitation, hindi nagdadalawang isip. Pero ikaw...
Huwag mo nga ako i-compare kay Walter!
Huwag kang sisigaw! Madalas mo rin ako ikumpara kay Jessica! I guess it is it, Rafi. It's over. Ayoko na.
How's your friend Jessica?
Ewan ko. Di na kami nagkakausap ngayon eh. Tagal na.
Parang kami ni Rafi. Iba na barkada niya ngayon eh. Pati na rin ako. Actually, loner ako ngayon.
Same here.
Sa lahat ng ayoko, nakakakita ng babaeng umiiyak. Lalo na't kaibigan ko pa.
Walter? Bakit ganun si Rafi?
Inunahan mo lang ako. Yun nga ang tatanong ko sa'yo. Bakit ganun si Jessica? Sarah.
Walter, do we have rehearsals today?
Yes, we have.
Okay, bye.
Michelle, is Sarah around?
Yeah, she's up there on the balcony.
Oh, there she is. Thank you, Michelle. Sarah!
You! Hi! Wait, ha?
See you this weekend. Bye.
Oh, inaalay ko sa'yo ito.
Thank you, Walter. Thank you, ha?
You're welcome, sweetheart. Oh, baka naman pamigay mo yan. Ubusin mo, ha?
Siyempre, ubusin ko. Pero hindi
Sige.
sabay-sabay, ha? Oh, sige.
Sige, alis na ako, ha? May
Okay.
practice pa kami ng barkada,
Sige.
eh.
See you.
Sarah,
Hmm?
may gagawin ka ba after ng meeting niyo?
Medyo, bakit? Ano bang plano mo?
Mamasyal sana ako, wala akong kasama, eh.
Ah, naku, ito talaga ako. Sige na nga, sunduin mo ako sa auditorium mamaya after rehearsals, 4 o'clock, ha?
Yeah?
Oo.
That's great.
O, sige. Bye-bye.
See you. Woo! Mhm.
Jessica, someone's downstairs waiting for you.
Okay, thank you.
Who the hell's in this picture here? Hell is it? Hello? Who's this? The operator?
I got this for you.
Are you sure para sa akin to?
Just a small token.
For what?
Para malibang ka. Para wag ka na mabore. At umiyak.
Thank you.
Ngayon ko lang narinig yan ah.
Pangit ano?
Sinong may sabing pangit? Ituro mo sa akin. I'll give him a long lecture in music appreciation. It's one of the most beautiful compositions I've ever heard.
Actually, this is a love song. I composed it for the one I love.
Oh.
Hindi si Jessica kung yun ibig mo sabihin. Do you really like it?
Yes.
Salamat naman na gustuhan mo. It's for you. Ayaw mo?
Ha? Gusto ko. Anong title nito?
We can call it Friends.
Just friends.
Okay. Friends in love. Sarah?
Yeah?
Will you be my girl?
Why?
Because I love you.
Why?
Because we're compatible.
Why?
Because we're practically the same. We're both kalog. We're vibes. And I'm pretty sure we'd get along well.
Why?
Sarah, please be serious. I'm serious.
I'll think about it.
How long will I wait for an answer?
Oh, 10 years or 10 months or 10 weeks or 10 days.
How about 10 minutes?
Okay. After 10 minutes, it's a yes.
May ibibigay din ako sa'yo. Magagamit mo din ito pag ikaw nag-brood. I finished that last night, at saka nilamay ko yan. Tell me, anong impression mo sa painting kong yan?
Well, does it say something about love? You want this?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Okay.
I'll just get some books.
Okay. Get me one na rin.
I'll take Moscow. You read Istanbul?
Oh, we'll sit there. Come.
Mm-hmm. Moscow. Mhm.
Don't you think this is nice?
Yeah, I think this is beautiful.
How about this?
Yeah, it's really a work of art. By the way, I'm planning to take a painting too.
That's very good. Maybe we can become classmates.
Yeah, why not?
Hi.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Wow, flowers.
Thank you.
Can I join you?
Could I see it?
Could I have some?
Sure, go ahead.
Really? You don't mind?
Hi. Hi.
For you.
Thank you.
I took it out from
How
the garden.
sweet, though. Sit down, no? You picked this from the garden?
Yeah.
How nice. You want some cake? Here, oh.
Want some too?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna get another one.
You're messing up my things.
Nice, no?
So long as you're both honest with your feelings for each other, what's there to be guilty about? You know, love should lift you to greater heights. It should serve as an inspiration in anything that you do. So eat well and sleep well. Rafi? Jessica?
Makakatulog na rin ako na mahimbing.
At makakakain na rin ako ng mabuti.
Good, but don't neglect your studies. Ay, nako, yung pag-ibig talaga minsan nakakasira ng pag-aaral eh.
Okay.
Okay, off to bed. We got an early class tomorrow.
Good night, Mom.
Good night,
Good night.
I might be a
Sir,
poor
I don't
judge,
understand.
Walter. Pero ang nangyayari sa inyo nakakasyak. I don't mind changing partners kung hindi kayo magkasama sa isang campus. Personally, ang nangyayari parang love on the rebound.
I don't think so, sir.
You're wrong, Mr. Pineda.
Kasi actually, I'm a one-woman man.
Oh,
Oh, hi!
tayo na.
Hold it. Teka. Kunan lang kita. One shot lang. By the tree. You don't mind?
O, sige. Saan?
Okay. Over
Dito?
there. Teka. Ba't ganyan ang suot mo? Pupunta tayo sa San Carlos Heights.
Pwede bang bukas ka na lang kumuha ng pictures? Pumunta tayo sa auditorium.
Auditorium?
Manunod tayo ng play. The drama group is performing today and everybody will be there.
Ikaw na lang. Alam mo, may iniiwasan ako dun eh.
Sino? Si Sarah? She'll be performing naman on stage eh. Hindi ka na niya makikita.
Naroon si Walter. I'm sure. Gusto mo siya makita, no? Gusto mo dumisplay sa kanya, di ba?
Of course not.
Huwag ka na magsinungaling. Alam ko. You want to get even with Walter and you're...
And I'm what, Rafi? And I'm what?
Ginagamit mo lang ako para makaganti sa kanya.
Cross your fingers for me, sweetheart, ha? Hindi ko akalain ang hirap-hirap pala ng role ni Cleopatra.
Kayang-kaya mo yun. Chicken feed sa'yo yun, love.
Ay! Oo nga pala. Mamayang gabi, isasabay na namin ang birthday ni Miss Alfonso sa cast party. All our friends are gonna be there, eh.
Kung ganon, baka di na ako makasama sa party.
Ha? Eh, bakit naman?
Siguradong nandun yung dalawa. Eh, masyadong malapit kay Miss Alfonso yun.
So what? Eh, bakit naman tayo iiwas kina Jessica at Rafi? Sino ba sila sa buhay natin?
Wala. Masisira lang araw ko pag nakikita
Hindi
ko
ko alam. Tuwag ka pala. Walter! 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 Bakit bang galing-galing mo mag-walkout ngayon? Nag-uusap pa tayo eh. Bibira ka agad ng alis na ganyan.
Tuwag pala ako, ah.
I was just kidding when I said that.
Alam ko naman kung bakit mo ako pinipilit sumama sa party ni Miss Alfonso, eh. Para pasaktan lang si Rafi. At my expense? Akala mo hindi ko alam yun?
Ako, Rafi. You want to hurt Sarah and you're using me. You don't really care for me. You don't even need me. Ngayon, ba't di ka makasagot?
Sumag ka, Walter. Si Jessica pa rin, ano? Gusto mo siyang saktan dahil mahal mo pa rin siya. At nasaktan ang ego mo nung naging girlfriend siya ni Rafi. Hindi ba? Ba't di ka makasagot?
Anong yan ang gusto mo mangyari?
Goodbye, Walter.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Bakit ganun, Daddy? Dumarating sa yung kaibigan mo. Pagkatapos mawawala. Masasaktan ka. Dumarating sa ang mahal mo sa buhay. Pagkatapos mawawala rin. Masasaktan ka ulit. I admit, Dad, ginamit ko lang si Walter para makaganti ako kay Rafi. At pumayag din ako magpagamit sa kanya para makaganti siya kay Jessica.
Doon kayo nagkamali. You see, people are meant to be loved, not used. Especially when they're friends.
I realize that now, Dad. And I'm so sorry it had to happen. I love them all. We love each other so much. But somehow, we just ended up hurting one another. Dad, does falling in love mean getting hurt too?
Love is a pain that is not easy to avoid. It is ecstasy and agony. It's pleasure, and then pain, and then pleasure again. Paikot-ikot lang yung dalawang yan eh, tulad ng araw. Sisikat sa umaga, lulubog sa gabi.
Ano bang dapat kong gawin ngayon, Dad?
Sabi mo, nagmamahalan kayo. All right, pick it up from there. Talk it over among yourselves. Be humble, yet be big enough to admit your own faults. Right? I'm sure by now you know whom you truly love and whom you love as a friend.
And then, what?
Huwag mong ituro ang daan sa pag-ibig. Kung yan ay talagang ukol sa'yo, yan ang magtuturo ng daan
You think you deserve it. I think I deserve it.
Jessica! Jessica! Don't you at least have the decency to say goodbye? After all, Jess, you're still my friend.
Correction. I was your friend.
Jessica, hindi lang akong may kasalanan sa lahat ng nangyari. Ikaw, si Rafi, si Walter.
Nadinig ko yata pangalan ko. Sabi ko, nadinig ko yata pangalan ko.
Sarah, jeez. Please stop them.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Andrew! Rafi! 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 Rafi? Are you okay? Hayop ka! Papatay mo ba si Rafi?
Siyang animal. Si Walter ang kanyang papatayin. How dare you do this to my boyfriend?
Boyfriend? He's my boyfriend!
Rafi!
Walter!
Rafi, are you okay? Rafi? Walter? Walter? Rafi, are you okay? Huh? Rafi, halika na, let's go. Are you hurt? Come on, let's go. Saan?
Walter!
What? Di ano ba yan? Dapat run!
Do you take Andrew here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Andrew, do you take Patricia here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
And after you have served him with loyalty in his kingdom on earth, may he take you up into his eternal dominions in heaven. The Lord be with you.
Us also with you.
May Almighty God bless you, the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
The Mass is ended. Go in peace to love and serve the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Ay!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, congratulations.
Thank you.
Mr. Alfonso, congratulations. I'm just
Thank you.
so happy for you.
Sponsor. Thank you. Ralph, thank you. One shot naman dito.
Wait.
Sarap.
Picture na, post.
Oh, thank you, Pop. Thank you. Rafi, thank you. Tutorial. Father, won't you join us? Yeah.
It's our chance!
Hindi ba tayo pupunta sa reception?
Sandaling-sandali na lang, sweetheart, ha? Anong shh? Para kang bubuyog, ah. Hindi kita maintindihan. Ano?
Ang sabi ko, may God bless us, sweetheart.
Ano ba?
I love you.
Naku, thank you, God. Sweetheart, sweetheart! You love me. Say it again. Naku, I love you too, sweetheart.